What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunna Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, we about to get to it. Might step outside, might give me a floozy. Hey, boy, I be turned up. I be crunk every day, baby. I'm in drill. What you mean? Why I'm so happy? This thing pay 1% every day, baby. I don't care what's going on in the Ukraine, whatever. It don't even matter. Trip pay that 1% every day, baby. Every day. Not 0.9, not 0.8. Every day. People saying water price going out. Ain't nothing else paying, bro. People going to check their XRP and all that, and the portfolio down. They come to Drip to withdraw money. That's how they gonna pay their bills. That's how they keep their lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? So that's why the price going. I mean, people, hey, they gotta sustain. Ain't nothing else paying. So people that trying to do FUD videos and all that, hey, you know what's funny? This is the funniest thing. When you see somebody do like a drip FUD video, and then you go look at the videos and scroll down, let's see what you got there. Let's see what you got that's better. You see some of the stuff that they pumping, bro, that they talking about. It's almost laughable. It's almost like Ashton Kutcher about to jump out. Like, you talking about drip and this what you pumping? but these folks got some nerve, boy. I don't understand it. I mean, I do understand it. It's just jealousy and envy. People back themselves in the corners. You know what I'm saying? They do it all the time. You know, people will say something and then they, in order to placate their fan base or appease their fan base or whatever, or don't want to seem like a flip-flopper, they got to stand by. They got to die on that hill. No matter what, no matter how great something is going, they gotta die. It's the same thing with Bitcoin people. You have people that been talking about Bitcoin gonna die since 2008. Seriously, y'all know I'm telling the truth. You had some dude was talking with Richard Hart. Oh, it's going to zero. It's going to zero. They just going down that hill, bro. So people that's talking about drip, they ain't got no choice. They people come to hear that, and they just waiting. Like, when you said it was going to zero, when is it going to zero? It's not. That's the dumbest thing. Drip cannot, I ain't gonna say it's impossible, but it's damn near impossible for Drip to go to zero. Tell them to explain it. If it's going to zero, to ask them how. Tell them to explain it. Don't say it, explain it. Because for Drip to go to zero, that means like 3 or 4 things have to happen at one time. First of all, everybody in Drip, all 87,000 wallets got to sell at one time. Everybody. We got to get on a Zoom call. Hey, man, we got to sell 12 o'clock Saturday. Where everybody got to sell. That's first of all. Second of all, nobody can buy. You don't get drip for free. You got to buy. You got to buy with B&B. So we got to put out the bulletin. We got to take our ads in there and tell everybody, don't buy no more drip. Don't buy no drip. So at the same time, nobody can buy and everybody got to sell. But guess what? Then you got another problem. There's a USD pair too. So you can't buy with USD because we still got USD liquidity. So you can't buy with nobody. Don't buy with USD. You see how stupid that is, bro? That's the dumbest thing ever. People just say stuff just to say it. Some of y'all be listening to it. I just be like, man. But anyway, but see, the thing about it is, I understand because this something paying 1%, and this almost coming up on a year without a glitch. It's almost impossible. It's almost unheard of. Paying 1% every day with no glitch, no nothing. And let me show you something else. Let me show you how great this is. Let me show you how awesome this is. Let me compare. Boom. Look at it, right? I pulled up the best CD rates for March. Right now, the best CD rates. You want to get your little CD, you want to be safe and all. Okay, cool. Let's see what they got going on now. Let's see. The best CD rate right now is 1% for a year. You hear what I say? This is not for a day. This is for a year. You put in $25,000, you're going to get 250. Oh my God. You're going to get $250 for the whole year, bro. Basically, it's 13 months. They give you extra month, whatever. $275. So that's for the year. That's the best. As they go down, it get worse. It gets worse, bro. And they putting this out there like it's the best thing going. It's crazy. You be like, all right, let me check it out. Okay, maybe I'm looking at it wrong. Let me see. Let me scroll down. Let me see. So if I put in 5,000 For 12 months, what I'm going to get? $5,040. You're going to get $40 for the year. For the year. I'm just showing you what I'm looking at, bro. I can't make this stuff up, bro. That just shows you how powerful, how awesome that drip is. So you have to show the comparison. You see what I'm saying? So anytime somebody talking about this and that, everybody on price, this, that don't even matter. That 1% is what matter. You understand? You come here every day and withdraw. On them CD, after you gotta wait till you get, man, you put in $5,000. You gotta wait a whole year to pull out that $5,000 just to get $40. I'm gonna let that sink in, bro. But you want to talk about drip? Go talk about them. Why ain't nobody talking about this? Why, this is a farce. Why ain't nobody talking about this? Now, if this was the other way around, imagine this being the other way around. Imagine this was crypto doing this, giving you 1% for the year. And a bank was doing what drip is doing, giving you 1% a day. See, I'm the man, bro. You can't, nobody can debate me on none of this. You understand what I'm saying? You wasting your time. I know what 1% a day means. You take that to your financial advisor and tell them you making 1% a day on your money. They're gonna tell you lying. Anybody tell you lying about something, it means that it's great, it's awesome, because they don't believe it. It's like telling somebody, yeah, man, I had sex with this girl for 4 hours. You know what your buddy gonna tell you? But no, you didn't. You lying. Why? Because that's extraordinary. It's awesome. It's unheard of. That makes it great. When somebody don't believe something, that makes it great. You know what I'm saying? You tell somebody, why I dunked 2 basketballs at one time yesterday. No, you didn't. Because they can't believe it, because it's great. It's extraordinary. Oh, let me say this. I am not on no WhatsApp, man, or whatever that is, WhatsApp or who's app. None of that stuff. People be, scamming in the comments. All big time YouTubers get that stuff in their comments, ads or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. I don't do no hot altcoin picks. I mean, if you watch my video, how you even follow for that? That's what I don't understand. That's like somebody in the comments saying they me and say, hey, you want a male dancer for your bar mitzvah? Call this number. But what do I sound like I'm a do a dance at a bar mitzvah? Like y'all, some of y'all just stupid. You deserve to get scammed, bro. Some of y'all really stupid, man. I mean, I hate to be that way, but come on, bro. Either you watch the videos or you know who you're looking at, or you don't. Or how you just go to somebody's comments and just click on a number or something, whatever. Oh, somebody had a great response to, I was looking at somebody's response to the scammer in the comments. And the response was, okay, send me your private seed, your secret passphrase, and I call that number. I thought that was awesome. That was a great comeback. Like, yeah, okay. Send me your private keys and your secret passphrase. I call the number. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want to do, we can go there all day, bro. But I thought that was pretty cool. But anyway, man. Oh, we got some news from Forex too on the piggy bank. We got a lot of stuff going on, man. Where we at with it? Okay, here we go, baby. Let's see what it says. Working very hard on V2. We know exactly what to do, and we are getting there. You know what I'm saying? Then he said, yesterday we came up with a full game plan that will work. Today, we execute. So, I guess he meaning they're doing all the back testing and all that kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, it's, hey, that ain't that. What they doing up there, that's just that same thing they doing on post chain. It's just airdropping what you already got to the next one. People talking about, should I compound, should I not? Just chill. Don't do nothing until version 2. Don't do nothing. You ain't got to compound, you ain't got to do nothing. Everything gonna copy over to version 2. There's no reason to do nothing. You're just giving yourself a headache. You know, see what I'm saying? People make up stuff. Oh, should I compound? Should I do this? Should I? Bro, you already said there ain't no fractional compounding, so just chill. Just chill out, baby. Everything will be fine. The only thing they're basically doing is airdropping the same thing you're looking at now over to another coin. They're just making another pig coin. Coins are nothing but numbers on the blockchain, bro. It don't matter what the name of it is. Pigs, jigs, or wigs. It don't matter. It's just a number on the blockchain. So when you have somebody that's, doing something wrong on that particular blockchain or whatever, that particular platform, only thing you got to do, you can use the same name, switch it over to another number. Just switch it over to another thing, another platform. That's all. Hook up another UI and be done with it. It's very simple. But when you're dealing with, see, it's massive. It's a lot of people in this network. And that's why people are so jealous of it, because it keeps growing. Even with all the FUD. That thing got over $1 million USD. When all the FUD started, it was like $899 or whatever. It just hit 900,000. With all that yipping and yapping, it kept growing because people know what time it is, bro. They know what time it is. Forex want to be the best. His goal is to be the greatest. His goal is basically to outdo Richard Hart. Richard Hart, I don't know if he know who Forex is or not. He's arrogant. He's an arrogant SOB, which I like, because he want to be the best too. I like developers that want to be the best. Ain't about money. They all got money. Strive to be the best. Forex want to be the best. He want the biggest, baddest ecosystem in DeFi, and he is building it. Regardless of what anybody say, what a YouTuber say, what a blogger say, the man is building the best, biggest, baddest DeFi ecosystem in the land. Ain't nobody gonna stop him, bro. Ain't nobody gonna stop him. He's working behind the scenes right now. You can do all the FUD and all the videos you want. It ain't stopping. The 1% ain't stopping. Even in the garden, things still paying what I got over here. I got 17,000 to get out. I ain't even got that many. Look, I got 8,000. A lot of y'all got more than I got. But it's still paying, bro. It's still, look at that, just paid again. This is the best ecosystem in the world, bro. Drip. And the farm, they had to pause the dogs and pigs because when you migrating the piggy bank, it's still pigs. Well, you got to figure out the truffles and the piglets and all that. So you got to pause the dogs and pigs, make sure that's stable, so everybody get the fair value on the next one. And then when they unpause everything just back to normal. It's just that simple, baby. Thing is not stopping, baby. Anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe, holler back at your boy, man.